Hello students, so again I am here with one interesting video and important video for class 12th students. Here student, the topic is PBR 322. So student, please see this video and try to understand about the topic plasmid vectors. So what is the plasmid vector and what is use of plasmid vector? First I want to tell student what is plasmid. So plasmid is a extra chromosomal DNA present in the body of E. coli. E. coli means bacteria. Okay. This topic PBR 322. What is meaning of PBR 322? P means plasmid, BR represent the scientist name, and 322 strain of the DNA from which the scientist found the vector. Okay. An ideal plasmid. Plasmid are actually circular, student. You can see this diagram in NCERT biology book. It has given, and actually it has been asked always in the examination. Okay, to know about the or to label the plasmid vectors. So let's learn about some unique functions of the plasmid PBR 322. Plasmid vectors must have the following function. First, minimum amount of DNA. Means if you are preparing this vector, the strain of the DNA must be 10 kb or below to the 10 kb. If it will be more, then it will create a problem during the purification. Purification means in laboratory, if you are preparing this PBR 322 vector, it will be easily prepared. But if it will be more than 10 kb, you cannot purify these plasmid vectors. Okay. Then second, relaxed replication control. If it will be 10 kb or below 10 kb, it will control the replications. Okay, but if it will be more, then you will get the contamination in your result. Okay, a plasmid vector have must the selectable marker. In your book, it has given about the two selectable marker, that is ampicillin resistance and another one is tetracycline resistance. What is the function of these two selectable marker? It help in identification of recombinant DNA. Okay, so many students are not understanding this topic. What is the use of the selectable marker? Actually student, if you are fixing your target DNA means if you want to prepare a cow or cow strain into the laboratory for high producing milk, if you want to prepare any animals or any plants or any bacterial bodies which have more efficacy to produce your product. ओके, कुछ अच्छा प्रोडक्ट्स आप लेना चाहते हो स्टूडेंट, सो आप टारगेट डीएनए को उठाओ, इस प्लाज्मिड वेक्टर में डाल दो एंड आफ्टर दैट इंसर्ट इनटू द ई कोलाई बॉडी, insert into the bacteria's body and you can get your target products. Okay students, so at least two selectable markers means this marker will help in identification of your target DNA which you are inserting here and further which will be replicate in the host body. Let's see, for easy selection of the recombinant DNA. Recombinant DNA, what is the meaning of recombinant DNA? This vector प्लस योर टारगेट डीएनए, जिस टारगेट डीएनए को आपने किया है कि मैं इस प्लाज्मिड में अपने टारगेट डीएनए को डालूंगा एंड देन आफ्टर दैट आई विल इंसर्ट इन द ई कोलाई और उससे मुझे एक नया प्रोडक्ट चाहिए, तो ये रिकम्बिनेंट डीएनए उसको बोलते हैं। जब आप प्लाज्मिड में अपना टारगेट डीएनए डालोगे उसी को रिकम्बिनेंट डीएनए बोलते हैं। दिस यूनिक रिस्ट्रिक्शन साइट मस्ट बी लोकेटेड विद इन one of the two selectable markers means the restriction site एक ऐसी जगह होती है जहाँ पे आप अपने टारगेट डीएनए को डाल सकते हो। आइदर आप डालो एम्पिसिलिन रेजिस्टेंस पे या आप डालो टेट्रासाइक्लिन रेजिस्टेंस पे। ओके, ऑलमोस्ट ऑल सच वेक्टर हैव बीन कंस्ट्रक्टेड फ्रॉम द नेचुरली ऑकरिंग डीएनए। मीन्स स्टूडेंट कि ये टारगेट जो आपके वेक्टर्स हैं ये कहाँ से आएंगे? बैक्टीरिया के बॉडी से आएंगे। तो बैक्टीरिया के बॉडी में नेचुरली ये प्रेजेंट होगा, सो उनके बॉडी से आप इजली इनको निकाल सकते हो यूजिंग बोथ क्लासिकल जेनेटिक्स एज वेल एज द रिकम्बिनेंट डीएनए टेक्नोलॉजी के हेल्प से आप टारगेट डीएनए को निकाल सकते हो, इनके बॉडी में इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं। सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द image of a plasmid. You can see in your NCERT book, it have different region. This region containing different restriction endonuclease enzyme. What is the function of this enzyme? You can learn better in my next video, or I'll upload, or you can follow your reference. So PB1, PST, BAM, SAL, okay, ampicillin resistant, tetracycline resistance, ORI region, origin of replication. This is the important region where our target DNA along with this the vector will replicate in the bacteria body or the host body. The name PBR denote the following. P signify the plasmid, B is the from the Bolivar, and R is from the Rodriguez. Thus PBR represent the initial of the scientist who developed the PBR 322. So student, now it is easy for you. The numeral 322 distinguish this plasmid from the other plasmid, means this strain is specific for the PBR 322. okay, the distinguish the plasmid from the other plasmid developed in the same laboratory. So in laboratory we can isolate many plasmid, PBR 325, PBR 327, PBR 328 EC. So many plasmid have been identified. So this video actually student to know some general characters of the plasmid vector. So please students, you can see it and you can follow many things it has written about that. It has replication modules of the E. coli plasmid. But student, this always you know my video are very short, so up to here I am explaining. Next again I will come with the another video of the biotechnology. Okay, thank you student, thank you for watching my video.